Hey guys, Dino with DinoRC. Just wanted to share with you some events we got going on. This is our 23RC event at Stanville, Kentucky. We'll have Pro Mod, Pro Stock. We'll have Sportsman. We'll have Youth, Novice, Big Body Stock, Class 1. We'll have 124th Pro Mod, Pro Stock, and TRX4M Box Stock. Come out and be with us. Sign-in start at 9. Gates open at 10. We've got our spring opener scheduled. That's for March 23rd at Logan, West Virginia at Chief Logan State Park. We've got the awards that we're going to be giving out at Beat the Creek first weekend of May down there in Maysville, Kentucky. Come out and be with us. We've got our Tamyia build-off that's going on. It ends on April 1st, 2024. Come on over to our Facebook page and get yourself entered.